Okay, so I set up the 7 test tubes according to what the table says for part A. I don't think I'm going to do part B. I just don't have all the time in the world to do it. But we'll be able to get the rate law from doing this, hopefully. So I set up 7 test tubes without the hydrogen peroxide. Behind each, so there's 7 test tubes over here, label 1 through 7, and then behind them is hydrogen peroxide. And the hydrogen peroxide, when it's, I'm going to watch the clock, and then I'm going to add the hydrogen peroxide to its appropriate tube, see how long that experiment, that reaction takes place. It says it's supposed to turn blue. Okay. And it says it could happen very suddenly. So I want to make sure that I keep keep track of things. Okay. So the mixing part is going to be a little difficult. Hopefully, I'm just going to add the hydrogen peroxide to the appropriate one. The final volume, when you add these two together, will be 10 mils. And so we'll go from there. Now, after this experiment, I want to show you how I made up at least one of these guys, because I want to show you proper technique, especially using the pipette and rinsing and so forth. Okay, so that you can see how I made these. All right. Okay. So I got number 1. Then I'll wait till that clock gets to 10, and then I'm going to add this to this, and then ready, set, go. Okay. So far, I don't see anything. I spent 30 seconds and I don't see anything. So that was at 203.50. I'll write that down. Starting point. Okay. Still don't see anything. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead with number 2. And I'm going to start that one at 204.15. Okay, ready? $204.15. Still no change. Okay, number 3. I'm going to add at 205 exactly. Okay, go. Still no changes. Starting to get worried. Okay, number 4, 205, 30 seconds. $205, 30 seconds. status change, okay, geez. I think I missed it. All right, so this is good to know whether, so I'm gonna not redo this, but, so it's 2:06. So, took about 2.5 minutes. Okay, so I am going to redo the first 4. I'll turn off the video, and then make the first 4 over. Okay, so and then I know now how long it's going to take, so I can be a little bit more patient with things. All right, okay, so.